Hey everybody, this is a video of my K98k. I'm going to reassemble it. So it has a nice thorough cleaning done to it. I even put a little bit of tung oil in the wood stock. Now I use 100% tung oil, and the only thing about that, you got to let it dry for about 3 days. It doesn't dry in just a half hour. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the barrel back on. Put the mag wheel back in. Now when you disassemble it, it's always good to lay your screws out. Small one goes in the front, big one goes in the back. Snug them up. I'll put the sleeves on, put the cover back on here. This ring here. And here's a spring. Slides up underneath here. Push it down. Now for the firing pin. Put the safety in. And you want to orientate it this way. Spring on here. This piece. Same thing, use this hole here. Push down. Slides up. I'll put the follower in the spring. Slide it in. Push this down. There you go. Assembling the bolt, just screw it right in. Until it stops. There you go. Wasn't too hard. All right, thanks for watching.